Introducing Elgoo Orange Storm Giga, a revolutionary 3D printer with gigantic build volume. Empowered by Clipper firmware, Giga can bring your designs to life at a maximum speed of 300 millimeters per second, making sure long waits become a thing of the past while preserving utmost model size and quality. Giga offers effortless control right at your fingertips. With a 7-inch screen, every detail is under your command. You would also step into a new dimension of creation. 4 nozzles and 4 heated beds work in harmony, translating your imagination into reality at quadruple the speed. With a generous build volume, Giga provides a grand canvas for your imagination, enabling larger creation and more ambitious projects than ever before. Embrace the innovation of Giga's integrated body, augmented perfectly by resilient Caterpillar cable tracks. The powerful cooling fans ensures consistent, high-quality prints by providing precise thermal control. It's a marvel that empowers you to create masterpieces on a grander scale. With Giga by your side, every moment becomes an opportunity for a delightful surprise, a mesmerizing story, or an artistic expression. Free your mind. Dare to dream big with Elgoo Orange Storm Giga. We are Elgoo. Let's make your dreams tangible. Elgoo.